Hi, ARC fans. Welcome to ARC Invest Daily. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we will try to go over March 16 highlights. In thumbs up or positive news today, we have more position added in VUZI, which is a smart glass company, Pelaton, the exercise company, which has products as well, exercising products, and then PinDuoDuo Inc., which is an agriculture tech company from China. And in negative today, we have one more company removed. Yesterday, there were 3 companies removed from ARC ETFs. Today, there is one more removed. So to find out which one it is, please stay tuned. Please show your support to this new channel by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the other side.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show.
Welcome back, guys. In ARC summary section, we keep an eye on big numbers, high-level numbers like market value and number of companies that they are diversified in. In terms of market value, the value is down to 50.6 billion from yesterday, 51.4 billion. It's down about 1.5%. So not so bad, given that it has been going down in past quite a bit. It has climbed up and a little bit down today. In terms of companies that they are diversified in, we know from yesterday's video that they completely removed 3 companies, and today they remove one more, and we will go over which one it is in a bit, so stay tuned. And in terms of slicing that 50.6 billion in all the ETFs, the 7 ETFs they currently have, this picture doesn't change, it doesn't move very often because it's so diversified that it's hard to move it. ARC Innovation is pretty much half of the whole pie, and followed by genomics, which is supposed to get bigger and bigger as the next FANG is supposed to come out of ARCG, is what Kathy Wood has said in several interviews. Next generation web is the next one, followed by fintech, and then followed by robotics and autonomous vehicles, print, and Israel. And we are all waiting for the space ETF to be added, and then hopefully we can show that slice as well. Now, in terms of companies, all the ETFs combined, the ranking is this way. Tesla stays number 1. We always keep an eye on top 5. We know that Baidu used to be one of the top 5. It got dropped to number 7, and Shopify took its place. And then now Shopify is also down to position 6. Zillow is taking the place. So those are the top 5. And we always keep an eye on some of the our favorite ones. For example, Palantir has dropped by 1 rank. Yesterday it was 32. Palantir is 33 today. Let's see why. Yes, the stock price is down just slightly to $25.60. And we also keep an eye on generally DraftKings, which was 55 yesterday, ranking today also it is 55. Let's see if, yeah, the stock price has come down slightly. They have increased the position by 0.1%. So that's DraftKings. And I think a lot of people's favorite, let's go to Nano Dimension, which is dropped to 80 today. It was somewhere in 70s, upper 70s yesterday. So let's see what's happening there. Yeah, the stock price has gone down to $10.30 from $11.50, even though they have increased the position just a little bit by 0.4% to 13.1 million. Keep in mind, this is rounded value, guys, so it is near 13.1 million. And also one more thing, as I am hovering over these bar charts, 3 charts show up. One is share count, second is stock price, third is market value. So you can pause the video at those spots and take a look at those companies that we just went over. So that's high-level summary. Let's go to the biggest moves quickly. Just for the new viewers, we look at biggest moves 2 ways. One is by number of or percentage of shares changed from yesterday, and also by total number of total market value change from yesterday, just because some companies have such high stock price that little movement in percentage share can cause big movement in the market value. So that company may not show up here, but it will show up here. So we hope to catch all the biggest moves by looking at it 2 ways. And we change the threshold to make it more consumable. So today's threshold is 9%. So any company that changed more than 9% of their shares will show up here. So PinDuoDuo Inc., which is agricultural technology company from China, is the highest one today. 36% extra shares added there, from 0.4 million to 0.6 million there. And the stock price pretty much staying the same. You can pause the video if you want to take a look at the trends more closely. Peloton, the exercise equipment company, has gone up by 26% to 0.9 million, and then stock price has gone down. So it looks like they have bought the dip. It's not down by that much, but looks like they're buying because they have more confidence in it. Then VUZI, the smart glass company, they have bought 25% more shares to 1.8 million now. The price has dropped to $18.90, and hence they're buying the dip, looks like. In terms of negatives, Netflix, I have not seen Netflix quite some time in biggest move. So they have sold 9% of Netflix today, which is part of FANG, obviously, which they treat as cash. When they sell the FANG company stocks just to buy more growth companies, it has been their strategy in past, and also told by Kathy Wood in one of the interviews. So maybe they are selling it to buy something else. So it has been 9.3% reduced in position. Stock price is slightly up to $524. So that's Netflix. Taiwan Semiconductor keeps popping up. So if you look at the share count trend there, it keeps going down, and the stock price kind of remaining at the same level. Splunk again is one more company that keeps popping up as they keep selling it more and more and more. They hardly have any position now. It's under 0.1 million shares. Otherwise, it would show at least 0.01, and the market value is also under 100 million, and hence it's showing much less there too. Verisk Analytics Company again dropped 86%. I won't be surprised it's completely removed tomorrow, because that's what I've seen in past. If they remove some company, they end up completely removing it, if they remove it by such a big percentage. Okta is another company they have completely gotten rid of. So this is the company, guys, Okta Inc., which has completely been removed from all the ETFs. So yeah, that's the one. In terms of dollar values or market values, the biggest moves winner is KE Holdings. They have increased the position by 0.2%, but the stock price has gone up to $65.30, and hence overall market value has gone up by 53 million. Twilio Inc., that popped up yesterday as well. They bought more position. Yesterday they bought 8.3% extra shares. Today they're buying 2.6% more, and the stock price kind of stayed the same, slightly upwards. That's Twilio, and lots of negatives there, guys. Some of the interesting one, Tesla, they continue to show high confidence in this, and as you can see, they have added position, and the stock price has gone down a little bit. Square Inc., again added position, but overall is negative because of stock price. Then you have Roku. So these are from the top 5 of their companies. Roku position is just a little bit ticking upwards, looks like, or maintaining same, and stock price has gone down a little bit. Pacifica Biosciences, they continue to reduce this. So in this case, it's negative because of the stock price is going down. This used to be #1 company in their genomics ETF, and it has dropped. We'll find out how much it has dropped. Perhaps on Sunday I'll do a video focusing only on genomics companies. Zoom Video again dropped a little bit in stock price, and they're maintaining the position. Zillow added a little bit more to the position, the stock price going down. So that's all, guys. That's biggest moves. Thank you so much for watching. Please show your support, like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.